Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a comparison between KadenceWP and Officely, two popular platforms for bloggers in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at KadenceWP. KadenceWP is known for its user-friendly interface and powerful customization options. With KadenceWP, you get access to a wide range of pre-designed templates by which you can easily customize layouts and add themes. Users can also enhance their e-commerce revenue with ShopKit extension and can boost sales and engage audiences by pop-up banners and slide-ins. With KadenceWP, users can expect their websites accessible, fast, and smooth. They also provide unlimited themes, premium support, and risk-free purchase with 30 days refund option. KadenceWP offers a range of products like Blocks Pro, Theme Pro, ShopKit, Conversions, Pattern Hub, Galleries, and more. These products' prices differ in terms of features provided. In terms of pricing, KadenceWP offers 3 plans. First one is free for website creators who are getting started. Second Essentials plan is for $149 per year, offers pro features and custom fonts. Last, full plan for $219 per year gives full access to all the tools to help you sell. On the other hand, Officely is a platform that offers a range of tools and resources for bloggers and online entrepreneurs. It provides features such as project management, team collaboration, document sharing, and communication tools designed to streamline workflows and improve productivity. Officely key benefits include simple desk booking, office announcements, office attendance, office events, and smart coordinations. In terms of pricing, Officely offers 4 monthly plans. First, Basic plan is free for up to 10 users. Second, Simple desk booking is for $2.5, provides limited to capacity management features. Third, Flexible workplace enablement is for $4 offers all the features, and fourth Enterprise plan offers custom pricing and features according to the user needs. It also offers a free trial and annual subscription term. In summary, both KadenceWP and Officely offer powerful features for bloggers. KadenceWP may be preferable for bloggers who prioritize extensive customization options, performance optimization, and content creation tools. Meanwhile, Officely may appeal to bloggers seeking a comprehensive platform for project management and collaboration with team members. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these two platforms. Thank you for watching.